Hi guys, I am so excited to show you this Nutrichef 5.5 quart air fryer. Now, this is why I purchased this glass container. This is going to make such a difference in our food. It also comes with a little mesh. And what I actually do is I place the little parchment paper that comes in here so it's easy cleanup. And then this is so nice. So when you take it out and it's burning hot, place it right there and you're good to go. Let's get into this. And I'm going to actually show you all the things I do with this air fryer. Let's go. Okay, I need to talk about this thing because it has completely taken over my kitchen counter for the last few weeks. Now, if you've been on the fence about getting a new air fryer or you've got one that's just fine, stick with me because this Nutrichef 5.8 quart is honestly one of the best small kitchen purchases I've made this year. Now, I will tell you that when I pulled this out of the box, the first thing I noticed is how solid it felt. It doesn't look like a bulky plastic gadget that's going to take over my whole counter. It's compact, like genuinely compact, which mattered a lot to me because my kitchen is not huge. I've got limited counter space, and this thing tucks right in without eating up half of my countertop. Now, the first thing that I am warming up here is some empanadas. I just sprayed a little bit of olive oil. And let me tell you, I love this machine. This air fryer is amazing. I can see what is going on with my food. There's no second guessing just to figure out if my food is done. I can clearly see if it's done or not. I think this is such an amazing upgrade in my kitchen. Now, here's what really impressed me though. The 1200-watt heating element is no joke. This thing heats up fast and it cooks fast. You're going to see here that I actually had the frozen empanadas and they were done in no time. They were crispy, golden, and evenly cooked. They cooked in a fraction of the time that I expected. And that's because of the 360-degree hot air circulation doing its thing. There's no flipping halfway through, no cold spots, no soggy middle. Every piece gets even heat. And again, I love the transparent window. I can see what's going on. Now the noise, you're not going to hear anything. Come take a look. And it's actually pretty quiet. My other air fryer was so loud. I mean, just hear it. These came out so delicious. Crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, cooked through all the way. Now here, I am actually going to be toasting my bread instead of putting it in a toaster. And it gives me just the right amount of crunchiness. And when it was done, I added a little bit of butter and it was perfect. Cleanup is where a lot of appliances lose me, but not this one. The tray is non-stick and it's dishwasher safe, so after dinner I just pop it in and I'm done. No scrubbing, no soaking overnight. And on the safety side, it's got an automatic shut off and overheat protection, so I don't have to hover over it the entire time it's running. The basket is removable too with the handle that just makes serving straight from the fryer easy and safe. No awkward pot holding juggling. And again, it's compact enough to actually fit in your space. I genuinely recommend giving this one a try. That's my honest take. Go check it out for yourself.